All right, guys, I'm sorry for the audio here. We're gonna be standing right into the wind, but I got this red chatterbait on. Like I said, I have fished here before and I've caught some nice fish out of here. The water is up pretty good. So I wouldn't doubt, oh, and the weeds have come up a lot. So this might be pretty good. We're gonna see how it goes. And already ripping it through some weeds. Oh. See, early in the season, there aren't this many weeds. So this actually might be kind of annoying. But we'll see if we can get on one, because I know there's some big ones in here. Like that. Oh, what was that? Like, I'm almost not even expecting it to be looking like this. I got one off the fall. Ooh, it's a nice one. Oh, maybe not. They kind of fight pretty well. I cast it and he was on it instantly. This guy actually might not be a bad one unless I have a bunch of weeds on it as well. Oh yeah, he's a good fish, guys. Yeah, not a bad guy. Not a bad fish. We're gonna flip him up. Oh yeah. There you go. Boom. Nice little 1-pounder. You know, nothing too amazing, nothing too great, but you know, it's a great start. Here's the release on this guy. Nice little 1-pounder. Sweet. There he goes. First couple of casts, already got a fish, which was nice. Good start. But I know there are much bigger fish in here. I know there's been some 6s cut out of here. I got another, oh, he came off. I should have set the hook. I thought it was weeds. Yeah, these guys are on fire today by the looks of it. I'm not even gonna let it sink. I'm just gonna reel instantly and see what happens. Yeah, a lot more weeds now. Gotta try to rip them through it. Oh, I just got smacked. Another, oh, he came off. How? That was crazy. It wasn't big. Nothing to be mad about, that's for sure. But they seem to be following in from out there and just smacking it. There's some nice big crappie in here too, but I didn't even bring the got one. There you go. This guy's a smaller one. Nothing too big yet. Yeah, way smaller. There you go. I hooked him again, like an idiot. There you go. Popped off, just a little guy. Back he goes. It's weird. Big ball of weeds. There you go. Ripped it out, and a fish instantly right after I ripped it out of the weeds. That's insane. And he came off. What the heck is going on? Do I suck at fishing? What the heck? This is a brand new chatterbait too. How did he not get, like, wow. Guys, I think I suck at fishing. I guess I didn't get a great enough hook set after he came out of the weeds. That's crazy. It's weird. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but my rod started bouncing there. Something was biting it. A little small one probably. Yeah, he pulled the plastic. I'm already gonna have to switch. Caught 3 fish. Yeah, the plastic's already off. For some reason, I can't fish a chatterbait without a trailer on it. I just think it looks weird without a trailer. So I'll put the trailer back on real quick. All right, put on a little white trailer. I know I had a black and red one on before, but I don't know. This also looks kind of good. I just grabbed the first little trailer I saw, so I don't think it'll make too big of a difference. Maybe a little contrast of color will work pretty well. Let's check right next to the wall, maybe. I know there's a lot of weeds, but big clump of weeds. Couldn't even get out of them. Wish I did. That would have been some nice action for some fish. Got one. Literally as it hit the water. Oh wow, this guy's a big one. This guy might be pretty big. He peeled some drag. Hopefully I don't lose this guy. He might be a bigger one. Oh yeah, this is definitely a bigger fish unless he's got me in the weeds. He's pulling drag again. No, this has to be a bigger fish, guys. Can't even get him through any of this. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish, guys. Nice fish. Probably, this might be another 4. Maybe even a 5. Oh, this guy, guys, this might be my PB. This guy's, oh, actually, maybe not. But this guy's huge. This guy's huge. Oh my gosh, guys, that might be my PB. Oh my God, that might be my PB. Guys, this fish is huge. Oh my gosh, this fish is huge, guys. Holy. I might have just caught my PB here. I might have actually just caught my PB. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my God. We're gonna have to go get a weight on him. This is insane. This guy is huge, guys. First thing we're gonna do is actually get a weight on him. Oh my God, no way my scale isn't working, guys. There's no way my scale isn't working. Oh my gosh, guys, my scale isn't working. There's actually no way that I might have actually just caught my PB and my scale's not working, guys. This is easily my PB. Look, it's not working. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, thank God. Oh my gosh. Zeroed out. Oh my gosh, guys. 5'9". 5'88". 5'88", new PB. Oh my gosh. New PB 5'88". 5'9" release. Big boy crushed a red chatterbait. Or girl, actually. There she goes. So I genuinely do not know how to process this right now. I just caught the biggest largemouth bass of my life, like just under 6. So the hunt for a 6 is still on. But oh my gosh. 5'9", a PB. And you know, I caught my PB walleye literally last week, maybe 2 weeks ago. It's 26 inches, and I'm not shaking as much as I did when I caught that fish. I don't know. Thank God that I decided to come here and fish. That's all I really have to say. Thank God. Oh my gosh. I don't want to fish anymore. I don't, but I want to. I want to because I know there are 6s swimming in here. I mean, one more bluegill or something, and that thing's a 6-pounder. On the scale, of course. But oh my gosh, guys. Oh my God. I'm actually so happy. That is insane. And I just got smacked again. There it is. This is another big one. It's actually a pretty decent one. He just jumped out of the water. I don't know if you guys saw that. He's not peeling drag though. I don't know what is this? What is he doing? This guy's not even fighting. He's just swimming. I took this guy for a joyride. Oh my gosh, it's another big one. Oh my God. No, he's not that big. Like, I don't know, 2, maybe a little bit less. Roof of the mouth. Oh, I see that hole. Wow. Poor fish. I feel bad for you, buddy. I feel so bad. This guy has literally a hole in the side of his mouth. I'm so sorry, dude. Go ahead, go live your life. I got the pictures of the, I don't know, 6-pounder, I guess. I mean, 5'9". It's cooler to say 6. It's way cooler to say 6, but man, 5'9", 5'88". He's there. He's almost a 6-pounder. Oh my God, I just saw that guy eat right in front of my feet. That might have been on video too. That's insane. I saw this guy come up and just smack it. It's also another decent one. You know, the average fish that I'm catching right now size is pretty good. They're really skinny though. Really skinny. For this time of year, I'd expect most of these fish to be fat. This guy also has a messed up mouth. Long fish, very skinny. Oh, did the fish just stop biting? That's what it looks like. Which I'm actually going to wrap it up here in a second. It's going to get dark, and I really do not want to walk back in the dark. Back to my car. I'm going to take a few more casts, and then we're done. Probably this one is my last one. Yeah, but there's a fish. As I say that, ripped it right out of the weeds. See, yeah, it's a little small guy. right in the bottom of his lip. Came right out though, let me tell you that. See you later, buddy. All right, last cast, for sure. All right, we're out of here. Well, I just filmed the other outro for this, or the first outro for my very first video. So this is the, I'm starting the second one. And yeah, as you guys know, crazy. I still don't even know what to think about catching a new PB, and especially it being a, I guess you could say 6-pounder, almost 6-pounder, 5.88, 5.9, whatever the scale said. But yeah, I mean, absolutely surreal. I know there are some big fish in there, just never personally caught them. The biggest I've caught before that one was actually a 4-pounder, like I said, in early March, shaking a minnow. But this time, you know, chatterbait prevails again, catches my second PB, beating my previous one by like 0.8. So yeah, I mean, I don't even know what to say. But yeah, I mean, once again, I'll have all my socials down in the description. You guys can go see the pictures of the fish. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. After filming that outro, I actually just realized, I think I mentioned it earlier, it's my first time using a red chatterbait in the spring, or actually ever using a red chatterbait. I think I mentioned that earlier, but first time ever using it, caught a new PB. Is that a sign? I don't know. But get yourself a red chatterbait and go try it out.